Good afternoon, everybody, or whatever time of day it is for you in your neck of the woods. Today is, I don't even know, April 4th or something, 2020. I was stuck at home for the last few days, so I decided to put in a railpro system in my GP9. It's a USA Trains GP9 with a battery and a railpro with sound, and I just wired it up with a little switch right there, and then a charging port. It's got a 14-volt lithium ion battery, and then the railpro system inside. So I'm gonna run it off my computer today. This one's got, I don't have the actual handheld controller, so I've just got the computer interface with the USB device that goes on the back here. So you got a couple pages of your controls, your front light. I think I did wire that up right. Let's see. Yep. And then let's try the back light. Looks like it's on too. So let's turn on the sound. And let's see if it'll pull these up this really steep grade. Pretty good horn. Oh yeah, and I did wire up the cab lights too. So that's good too. Looks pretty good. And I believe you can even make the lights run directional. So if you change the direction to forward and reverse, it will kick the lights on appropriately. So here's forward, and there's reverse. Yeah, so far so good. I really like these devices because they have sound and engine control and all the lights for a fraction of the cost that I've found for anything else. Usually if you want controllability and good sound, you have to buy like an air wire and buy a sound card separately. Or you can use a Revo, but the sound really sucks, in my opinion. You also, yeah, the Steam sounds are garbage too. These aren't much better for Steam. I'd stick to the Airwire for Steam. That's what's in that Hudson, and in this 410 too. It's in the tender right now. So we'll convert a few more and see what we can figure out. I'll let you know when those are done.